The HT02B is a hedge trimmer that trims hedges 90 degrees by pressing a button and turning it to the side, so you're able to have a nice vertical and horizontal trim. Simply press and rotate it to the opposite side, and you're able to trim by pressing in the trigger and then cutting. The trigger is located on the bottom, and the top is the swivel head that you can swivel it 90 degrees either way. So what we're going to do is show you what this is about, simply just trimming the hedges. From DocSmart, it's a 21 volt, 20-inch hedge clipper. 2/3 opening gap, taking the material out, showing how nicely they are packed. Going over the contents in the box, we have a pair of safety goggles, two 21 volt batteries, dedicated power charger, a Phillips screwdriver, an instruction guide, bracket and guard handle, the Phillips screwdriver, and a 20-inch hedge clipper with a guard. Plugging in the battery and charging for the first time, allowed to charge. On the side of the battery is a charge indicator, the release tab to put the battery in and out. Assembly, taking the guard in the front, 2 screws, slide your guard on. With the Phillips screwdriver, lock into place. With the handle over here, simply line, place on. With the remaining screws, lock down. We'll give it a nice size glove, universal fit. I have an extra large hand that fits right over. Placing the battery on is simply placing into slot, snapping into place. The top button rotates up to 90 degrees either directions to make a total of 180 degrees. We have the safety left or right and the trigger to start the machine and stop. Carefully hold, test out. Trigger will not release unless you release the safety tab. For our demonstration purposes, we're going to demonstrate trimming. Remove the shield. The slanted goes on one way. It will not go on correctly this way. So please make sure when opening and closing, it goes on correctly. We're going to demonstrate by pulling and cutting. And then you're able to cut across nice large hedges. You're looking for a hedge trimmer that does its job, that trims. This is a hedge clipper for your summer garden needs. When all done, clean up, place back the guard, and remove the battery and store away by the handle or back handle. Small gardens, big gardens, 20-inch with 2/3 opening to do the job on brushes and hedges and more. With a nice rubber covered handle, we have a handle on front made of plastic with a plastic guard shield. It's got moderate weight to it, and it is an easy to use hedge clipper. High performance motor with a 1000 pure copper motor drives the shrub trimmer, working at a speeds up to 3000 RPM with 180 degree adjustable head for shaping hedges in tight areas. 20.67 inch, 2/3 inch thick blade gaps, up to a 1/2 inch diameter of cutting. A 21 volt 2000 milliamp battery takes about 2 hours to fully charge for 2 hours of work use. Hedge trimmer from DocSmart. I hope you enjoy your hedge trimmer for your garden needs. Thank you for viewing.